teendryf aan die kant van Oakdale. Hier is 'n geleentheid nou. Lightly aan die agterkant wat nie die bal kan bemeester nie, maar is nog altyd 'n geleentheid vir Oakdale. Burger wat die bal daar ingevat het. En onthou, Oakdale is teen die wind, dames en here, so goed gedoen daar deur Vosloo, hoë hangskop. Ethan van Biljon wat pragtig hy bal vat en die skeieregter sê jy kan nie die man in die lug speel nie.
Van Biljon steps up, very difficult kick, and he's straight through the upright. Fantastic start from the home side. Van Biljon makes it 3-0.
Daar word iemand se tok sommer by die kantlyn uitgegooi. Vosloo, skitterend gedoen deur Stellenberg. Kan hulle nog altyd die manne van Oakdale uitbly? Wat sê die skeieregter? Nog altyd Vosloo. Lang aan Viljoen. Baie moeilik om hom te keer. Casey Viljoen, ons het gepraat oor hom. Maar wat hom so goed maak, hy's baie laag, hy's baie kort.
And be able to defend accordingly. Kick goes over 7-3 with 6 minutes gone. Yeah, so Stellenberg gets the ball back, looks to exit. Evan Rademan at the back, does not find touch. Oakdale with the ball again. Hy vind vir Vosloo. Vosloo met spasie, kom terug. Dis die linkervleuel groot sterk. I see Burden is lying in the backfield. That will be a massive loss if he cannot continue. And it's Oakdale once again.
Ja, Oakdale Vosloo aan die binnekant. Vosloo wat die bal speel vir Snyman. Maar Stellenberg wat tans met 14 man gespeel het. Is ook net regtig waar net goeie dinge vir hom. Vosloo die bal oorsit daar. So goeie begin. Smit met die ingooi. 4 man lyn staan. De Villiers baie prominent. Dis hy binne senter weer. Vosloo onder die pale. Okay. Die slot sit. JC. This game can still turn.
Anything is possible with Low Lombard being the forward coach. Up goes Burden. Maul going forward. Good ball defense from the side of Oakdale, but ref showing advantage. Daniel Mongi, strong carry, gets tackled hard, backwards. Van der Merwe. Quick ball, tackler needs to roll. What does Stellenberg do now? They quick tap and go. Giant Jones goes over. Excellent technique from the 7th flank. As the momentum changed, Tapey spoke about it earlier.
Can happen. However, Van Biljon just making sure to add the additional 2 points. So 6 minute oor. Hulle set baie vinnig, hulle lyk baie fiks. En hier's 'n geleentheid nou vir hulle agterbal, my dryf maar beweging aan die gang sit. Goed gedoen deur Stellenberg om hulle te stop. Mr. Ref moet sê actually use it once. Maar kom ons kyk. Waar gaan hulle kant toe? Daar sê hy nou hulle moet dit gebruik. Ontoelaatbare spel. Stellenberg Foster. Steeds Foster. Goeie verdediging. Kom my manne nou goed gedoen aan die kant van Smit. Vosloo. De Villiers. Agestein. Aan die buitekant. Baie goeie spel aan die kant van Oakdale.
New penalty advantage, still free play. Christian, third route carry. Now the ball needs to come. Stefan, Van Biljon. So a quick tap by Van Rensburg. Had very good carries previously. Van Burden. High in the tackle, gets tackled backwards. Now Stefan looking to find Van Biljon. Van Biljon goes over! Stellenberg showing what they can do with ball in hand. Phase after phase.
Yeah, so it's very important playing direct, asking the questions. Who else do you want in that position than Ethan van Biljon?
Stefan finds his captain. Good offload in the tackle. Too bad. Quick ball once again. Burden does not find Van Deventer. Ref will come back for the penalty for the high shot.
So, yeah, take us through the lineup.
You bad fees. He finds Brink. Stellenberg sets up the maul, but it was accidental obstruction. Oakdale to tap and go because it's a free kick. They can't go directly to the touch. The Gary Owen goes up. Stefan not getting the ball backwards. Picked up for the outside center. Schaefer under the poles.
And yeah, they need to keep on grafting. Conversion is over there from Vosloo. Oh, since Pratt has been on the field, the scrums are collapsing. Potgieter, Moses. Yeah, great defense on the side of Oakdale. Stellenberg retaining position. Unfortunately, Molnar not getting that one. Foster, they're going to gamble with this one. Yeah, so there's a lot of movement in the scrum. Better setting, Vosloo to Vosloo. Offload is on. Very dangerous runner. Schaefer, he showed in the first half.
In their defensive structure, Vosloo steps up, kicks it over, makes it 40-17, JP, with 3 minutes to go.
Much better kickoff, JC, that's what we asked for. However, chase line not good enough. Oh, what a line. Pretorius. This is champagne rugby from Oakdale. From start to finish, through the middle, keeping the ball alive. And excellent finish.
Foster has to step up. Will he convert? He makes it a 7-pointer. 47-17 to the men from Oakdale.
Speel af vir Pretorius, die binne aangee. Skop die bal uit. Eindtelling 47-17. Well done vir Oakdale, JC. Skitterende spel. Die manne het gewys, hulle is goed afgerond, baie fisies, goeie besluitnemers en hulle spelskeppers het die spel geskep soos hulle moes vandag.